Frog. Kukak. Kukak. Turtle. Very good. Turtle. Slowly lang ka mo ni Ate Angela. Basta ang likod para hindi ka mag-sip on. Yay! Slowly lang, slowly. Frog na iya, frog. Frog. Eyes. Mouth. Nose. Nagaano sa'yo? Eyes. Eyes. Mouth. Eyes. Mouth. Neck. O picture isa ko no.
Picturean. Okay, boss. Smile na, boss. Ay, di po ba? Dodang buhala.